తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం అభివృద్ధి వైపు తొలి అడుగు వేసింది. వైమానిక సెజ్లో మరో కొత్త పరిశ్రమ ఏర్పాటు కానుంది. రంగారెడ్డి జిల్లాలోని ఆదిబట్లలో విమాన పరికరాల తయారీ పరిశ్రమకు ముఖ్యమంత్రి కేసీఆర్ శంకుస్థాపన చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమం హైదరాబాద్లోని నోవాటెల్ హోటల్లో అంగరంగ వైభవంగా జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఇతర దేశాల ప్రతినిధులు పాల్గొన్నారు. టాటా, రుయాగ్ సంస్థల సంయుక్త ప్రాజెక్టుగా ఈ పరిశ్రమ రూపకల్పన జరగనుంది. 500 కోట్ల రూపాయల వ్యయంతో ఈ పరిశ్రమను ఏర్పాటు చేయనున్నారు. ప్రాజెక్టులో భాగంగా తొలి దశలో ప్రధాన విభాగంతో పాటు రెక్కల తయారీని ప్రారంభించనున్నారు. రెండో దశలో మొత్తం విమానం తయారు కానుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో కేసీఆర్ మాట్లాడుతూ తెలంగాణలో పరిశ్రమలకు పెద్దపీట వేస్తున్నామని తెలిపారు. పరిశ్రమల ఏర్పాటు ద్వారా తెలంగాణలో నిరుద్యోగం లేకుండా చేస్తామని ఆయన తెలిపారు. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ తరహాలో తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేస్తామని ఆయన స్పష్టం చేశారు.
మిస్టర్ మార్టిన్, ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely delighted to be participating in the groundbreaking ceremony of one of the two new investments being made in Telangana by Tata Advanced Systems, a Tata Group company. On behalf of the people of Telangana, I welcome Mr. Ramadurai and his team to this historic and hospitable city of Hyderabad, the capital of the new state of Telangana. Your new partnership forged with Rovag shows the confidence of an established European group in Tata's world-renowned capability, and in turn, your decision to locate this sophisticated manufacturing facility in Hyderabad demonstrate the faith and confidence the Tata Group reposed in the state. I understand that Tata Advanced Systems has 3 units already operational in the Adibhatla Aerospace SEZ, which is one of its kind in India, on the lines of Seattle of United States and Nagoya of Japan. The SEZ is set to become a global hub along with many such specialized clusters planned as part of the Information Technology Investment Region, the ITIR. Telangana has the unique advantage of having a large number of research organizations and research laboratories of the DRDO, DRDL, Midani, BDI, Research Center, Imarat, BEL, HAL and the Ordnance Factory. This provides a strong base for collaborative research between manufacturers of components and researchers of aerospace technologies. It is our determination and strong endeavor that the state of Telangana should emerge as the favorite destination for national and international investments and as a leader in the aerospace and defense sector. We will leverage the advantage of our local resources and institutions with unmatched industry-friendly governance. I have already announced that there will be an effective single window system, the real single window system, and this will be monitored in my office through a special chasing cell planned as a special purpose vehicle under the ITIR authority. All departments who have to give clearances for setting up of industries will be held to a strict timeline for review and approval of investment proposals. There will be no need for the entrepreneurs to run around the multiple offices, and human contact will be minimized. A new industrial policy will be announced soon after due consultation with all stakeholders like the CII, the FAPSI and the MSME Industry Association. The goal is to make the Made Telangana label a globally recognized brand for quality and innovativeness. I am aware that Tata Group has made my job a little easier by becoming our brand ambassador. I am grateful Tata is a well diversified group, and I do hope that they expand their operations base into Telangana. I assure the Tata Group and all other investors that Telangana state will offer the best business regulatory environment as well as a competitive incentive package for future investments in my state. I take this opportunity to invite all potential national and international investors to visit the state, and I assure you that you will experience the best in class facilities and environment for the investments. I would like to assure this gathering that as a newly incepted state of Telangana, we are just formulating our policy of the government as a whole and policy of various sectors. As all of you are aware, that Telangana was struggling to become a state for 6 decades. The dream of Telangana has come to recently, and 2nd of June, the state incepted officially, and we have just started our functioning. I am happy that the Tata Advanced Systems has started its work in Telangana, and we look forward to many more investors from all across the globe and the nation. I assure you, you will see while reading this speech I was emphasizing that a real single window system, probably the best of its kind in India, will be here in place very shortly. Thank you, Vananda.